Hello, what's up YouTube? Photographer Ronix with NI3, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can easily color grade your images using my gradient skin tone preset pack. So if at all you're interested in purchasing or buying this pack, the link is going to be in the description of this video. And this pack really works with both dark skinned and also light skinned complexion models. So if at all you want to purchase and try it out on your images, make a point that we support the channel for the content by checking the links in the description of this video, and you can easily buy and purchase it at a very nice and affordable price. So you can see you're going to be achieving or moving the image from looking like this to looking like this using my gradient skin tone load pack. So after you have really downloaded and installed it, so after you have bought it, it has a manual, and I have a video about how you can install it, and I'm going to link for you that video above here, so that you can check it out and you learn how to install the presets. So in order to color grade your images better and have the best skin tone, simply come right to the adjustments and you come to gradient map. So when you come to gradient map, simply left click on this color and it's going to open up the gradient editor option. So after you have installed your gradient map or those presets, they are going to appear in your gradient editor or under the gradient map. So just come and click and open this, and you can see that we have a couple of gradient maps right here. So usually these are going to work best for light skin complexion models. This one starting from right here, you're going to be working for light skin complexion models. So I'm just going to choose a random one like this one. So this looks okay, and I'm just going to simply hit OK right there. So I'm just going to come to the blend mode right here and change it from normal and change it to soft light. And you can see as soon as I do that, you can see that the model really gets a very nice and even skin tone. So this is all over the place, but if at all you want to perfect or fine tune this, or if at all you want to check out the other presets that are part of this gradient preset pack, simply come right here and simply click on the gradient option and left click on this gradient tool option, and you come back and drop down and open this, and you can click on these various presets to see what works best for you. So you can see these work best with light skin complexion models. These ones right here, the bottom, is it bottom 7? So bottom 7 or bottom 8 work best with light skin complexion models. So you can choose whichever preset that you want to apply. So I'm just going to choose one that works for this image. So around this one, this is okay, and I think that this is what I use for this very image, and I'm just going to simply hit OK. So as you can see, the preset is now all over the place. So just want to apply it on only the skin area. So come and make sure you select the white layer mask and simply press Ctrl or Command I on the keyboard, and that is going to invert the effect and hide it behind this black mask. So just come under the brushes, right click and get the brush tool, and make sure the hardness is at 0%, opacity and the flat 100%, and make sure you have white as a foreground color, or you have black and white on these two color swatches. So you can switch between black and white by using X on the keyboard. Then if at all you have any other colors right here, simply click on these two tiny boxes right here, and that is going to reset and make you have black and white. So you can switch between black and white by using X on the keyboard. So when white is on top, it means that it's going to be revealing what was hidden behind the black mask, which is the color grading for a skin tone. So with the brush tool still selected, simply come and just paint on the skin. So just come and paint using the white brush and only paint on the skin area, and you can see how instant that is going to be. So just come and paint on only the skin, and if at all you paint away from the skin area, I'm going to be showing you how you can perfect that. So just make sure that you have painted well on the skin area. So after you have painted on the skin area and you have painted out and you don't want to paint some other areas like the eyes, simply come and switch back to black and make sure black is on top. So with the black brush, you can erase away the extras that you didn't want to include in the color grading. So just come and do that, and you can now zoom into the eyes by using Ctrl or Command plus on the keyboard, and you can now eliminate the effect from affecting the eyes, just like that. And you can say this is a better and quick or effective way to color grade your images using Photoshop if at all you don't have Capture One to create that nice and matching skin tone. So let's look at a quick before and after for the color grading of this image. This is the before after, and you can as well come and switch or change the color grading if at all you wish to. So just come and choose a different color if at all you wish to alter or change the color grading. So this also looks okay. You can as well use this, and that also looks okay, and simply hit okay. So this is the before and after, and when you feel like it's too much, you can come to the opacity and simply drop down or reduce on the opacity of the color grading. So basically these presets are currently on sale on my digital store, and if at all you want to purchase these for both your light skin and dark skin models, make sure to check the link in the description of this video so that you can support the channel. And when you purchase these, I guarantee that these are going to be working best for your kinds of images. Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in yet more amazing tutorials, and don't forget to keep practicing and also keep creating.